What's my meaning in life? We have to work for it. We have to create our own meaning. There's no equation out there that can give meaning to your life. You have to find meaning for yourself. It is a process of self-discovery. It's too easy for us to simply have an equation that says, okay, this is it, folks, this is the meaning of the universe. It's a process of self-discovery. Freud was asked, what is the meaning of life, right? And he said, well, what gives us structure, what gives us meaning in life are two things, okay? To work and to love. And if you think about it, we as human beings need to work, we need to love, or else we go insane. We go crazy, we go off the deep end, as they say. We live a pointless life, of a pointless existence, unless we work to some productive goal and we love. What does theoretical physics say about this? Well, it may talk about creation, it may talk about the harmony of the universe, the glories of equations and so on and so forth, but it's not going to tell you how to be a better person. It's not going to fulfill that yawning gap inside your soul that says, why am I here to begin with? And that's why I say the process of self-discovery is the way to do it. You have to define your own meaning. Search inside yourself, because that's where true meaning is going to be found.